Over a year ago, I gave this review on this Dreo Nomad 1 tower fan with a remote, and I gave it a very positive review. But what I love about doing these 1 year later reviews is I can tell you with experience whether or not I still love it so that you can make a great purchasing decision. So, do I still love it? Absolutely I do. I've reviewed a lot of different fans, and this is number one. This is the best one, in my opinion, that I've done. And I'm going to tell you why. Now, first of all, I love that it comes with these 4 rubberized parts at the bottom, making it anti-slip should you have to put it on a hardwood floor. You can see on your screen now, it's not going anywhere once it's on that floor. Number 2, I was very happy with how easy it was to put together. I'm not really much of an assembly person, but it only took minutes, and there were very clear and concise instructions. I'll give the spoiler alert, my favorite thing about this, absolutely, without a doubt, is just how cooling the air actually is. Now, it has 4 different modes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Obviously, that makes it go higher and work harder. But in my experience, this thing is just so much better than a regular box fan. The wind quality and air quality just super exceeds whatever expectations I had going into getting this thing. So here it is at 1, and I'll let you listen to it next to this high-powered mic. 2, 3, and 4. And you can hear it getting louder and louder. I personally am a big fan of it being at 4. I like a nice, cool setting, and I love white noise. Now, you may see my hair going over the place as I put it at 1, 2, 3, and 4. It feels so good. In case you don't know about these tower fans, on the other side of this grid here, in it is this middle portion that's just spinning and spinning and spinning, going extremely fast at this 4 setting. And I'm telling you, it's just so comfortable. Obviously, it comes with this remote that makes it very simple to use and have everything at your fingertips. There's the plus and the minus button at the top, which of course helps you go from 1 setting to 4 setting and back down as you need to. There is the mute button, so if I didn't want to hear this beep that was going on as I'm changing settings, I wouldn't hear it. But if I turn the mute button back off, you can hear that beep. There's the timer button at the bottom right. If you don't want it to go off at all, you would just keep it at 0. But if you want it to go off after 1 hour, you would go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and all the way up to 8. It will automatically shut off wherever you set it, and you'll hear that beep letting you know that it's set. This middle left button is the mode button. You have 4 different options. You have the wind option, the leaf icon, the moon, and then the auto. All different types of white noise. My personal favorite is just the regular wind option, the regular sound of a fan. And lastly, as far as the remote goes, of course, it is a oscillating fan that has a 90-degree turn angle. So you just press that, and it will start moving this way. You can go ahead and press it again once you want it to stop wherever you want it to stop. So if I wanted it to stop right about here, I would just press that button, and it would stay still. Rotate, or stay still. And we'll close out with some bonus features. I do love how lightweight this fan is. It's very easy to carry around. And speaking of carrying around, you just have to grab it by the handle here, and it is simple to maneuver. You also have this remote carrying slot if you're somebody who might lose that remote from time to time, like myself. And I love that it has simple cleaning. That's a big deal for me when it comes to fans. Right here is a screw. You're just going to undo it, lift up, pull this out, and you will clean it off from there. It usually takes me about 3 minutes or so to clean, and then I put this back on, put the screw back on, and I'm good to go. It's 36 inches tall, which from my experience is very, very good. It gives a lot of leverage and helps you actually hit you while you're on a standard bed height. But if you do need it to go a little bit higher, I love that it kind of has that little base here so that you can put it on something and it can be higher. The Dreo Nomad 1 tower fan with a remote, 1 year later, I still absolutely recommend this.